Today, I would like to introduce you guys my self-reactive LED circuit. In this design, I used Max9814 as a sound sensor to detect the sound. And when the sound signal, it will send sound signal to the LM3915 IC. And this IC will handle on like the LED, and the black module is the power supply. So let's say the demo first, and then I will deeply explain how it works. Firstly, I need to plug in the power supply. Press the button to turn on this module, and then I will play a music song, so you can see the black link for shown from the left hand side to the right hand side clearly. Hope you can see it. Here are components I used in my project. This one is LM3915, 10 kilo ohm variable resistor, power supply, LED, and mask 9814. The next slide, I will show you how I connect these kind of components. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. The ring right here is to connect the GND pins together using the GND pin of a mask 9814 is connected to pin number 2 and pin number 4 of LMG915, and then it is going to the variable resistor. After that, it is going to the GND pin of the power supply. The red light here is for power supply. The VDD pin of a mask 9814 is connected to the pin number 3 of LMG915, and this is going to 3.3 volt power supply. And also the positive side of LED is connected to the 3.2 volt of the power supply. This slide is the most important. The orange white is for pin out of mask 9814 to the pin number 5 of LMG915. This one is used to send the sound signal from mask 9814 to LMG915. So it's a very important. The next slide is a very straightforward. The pin number 6 and 7 are connected together, and this pin is connected to pin number 8 for 1 kilo ohm resistor, and then this is going to the the variable resistor here as the black white, and the negative side of LED is connected to pin number 10 here. So 1 kilo of resistor, and the rest are all similar like this. In case if you want to use more LED, you can use pin number 15, 16, 17, 18, and pin number 1. Please remember that pin number 9 is not used in my project. And also pin drain and pin AR of Max9814 are not used in my project also. This is the end of my presentation. Thanks for listening.